Anytime you can improve someone's skills, that gives the company an upper advantage because we can't always give them what they need. Hi, I'm Chris Bolt, and I'm the training specialist at KYB Americas Corporation, located in Franklin, Indiana. 180 Skills has over 700 different courses that can be utilized for many facets of job skills improvement. Anything from communication skills, there's electrical skills, all different sorts of courses that can be taken at a self-paced style. We have 174 employees taking advantage of 180 Skills. They love the ease of use of it. Once I set them up in the system, assign them the courses, they simply follow the link, they go in, open the course. There's even competency-based testing to see how they've done with their courses. So it's a fantastic, easy-to-use system. 180 Skills has allowed us to reach into an area that's especially free for use. That's huge. Whereas we would have to pay for them to go to a course, take time out of their day. This is so flexible, and again, it's free, and that's advantageous for us to look at and help them produce their skills up to a level that we need them to be at.